Today, we want to talk about how to use Teamwork Desk with your OpenForge project and your mobile application. So it's very important as you're building a mobile application that not only do you build it and you actually maintain it, but also that you get your user feedback and you handle support requests, you handle issues as they come up. Every team needs a way to filter these issues through, right? And make sure that real issues, such as when there's a bug or when there's some sort of feature that you need, that you missed, when those are to be worked on, versus user complaint, let's say. Like for instance, if a user says, I don't like this color of this button, or I don't like that particular feature. Those are not particularly requests that you want us to work on, but those are requests that you want to respond to. So Teamwork Desk is a tool that we use that actually ties in with your project on Teamwork, your Teamwork projects, and it allows you to filter through and let us, as OpenForge, know which tickets you actually want us to work on. So with that said, let's get started and let's take a look at how to use it. With Teamwork Desk, tickets are used to report anything from bugs to user feedback. This will allow user feedback to be managed efficiently and be escalated to our team if necessary. By selecting tickets from the nav bar at the top, we are brought to the tickets page where all the tickets submitted by your users are placed in an inbox. The My Tickets lets you view the tickets assigned to you, and there's also an option to create tickets on behalf of a user. The unified box keeps all the tickets you have access to in one easy accessible area. You can create tickets from this inbox as well. Staying in the unified box will save you time and clicks, as all of the tickets are in one place. When looking at the tickets from the inbox, you can see the user's name, inbox it was sent to, the ticket title, the first lines of the user's message, tags, the users who were assigned, the ticket ID, and also the creation and update dates. You can also select the checkbox next to the tickets to have a single action affect multiple tickets. The Actions toolbar is above the inbox while you have a ticket selected, with options such as assigning a ticket, setting a status, setting tags, and more. Another useful feature is managing of the ticket statuses. There is a drop down to set the ticket as closed, solved, on hold, and other tags that are relevant to your project. This will help keep tickets organized and make it easier to filter through and look for a specific type of ticket later down the line. There is also a customized column option to filter which columns are displayed in the inbox. Selecting Edit from this dropdown lets you designate the order of the columns. And when you click a ticket, you'll be brought to a screen where you can reply, make notes, forward the ticket, and view the comments and notes from others. Replies will be sent back to the user, where notes can be viewed only by someone assigned to your ticket. So that means that no users can see those notes. And forwarding the ticket sends it to the recipient's inbox. In the bar under the reply box, you will see a task section. This task section is essential for reporting tickets to our team. To assign a ticket to an OpenForge team member, select Create New Task and assign it to your project and task list. From here, you can label the task name, assign it to your OpenForge account manager. You can attach and apply any attachments straight from the ticket as well if you would like to. You can attach tags, priority, and more. You can even make it a subtask by using Select Parent and choosing Existing Task from the task list. Once the task is created, the OpenForge account manager will see it in their Teamwork tasks. When they complete the task, you will get a notification and take whatever other actions are necessary, such as replying to the user who submitted the task or any other necessary action. After this is all said and done, you can go ahead and close the ticket. All right, so that's it. That is how you use Teamwork Desk and Teamwork projects together. If you have any questions, please let us know by contacting your project manager or commenting below, and we'll be sure to get back to you. Thank you very much, and we look forward to working with you. Bye.